Hey guys, thanks for tuning in for another video. This video is for my natural hair lovers. For those who love their natural hair but just needs a break in a cute protective hairstyle, Luhair got you. So the wig that I'm using today is from Luhair. This is their Afro curly wig. If you want to see how I style this wig and get it to look like it's literally coming out of my scalp, you already know what you need to do. Keep on watching. So this is the Afro curly wig. I did go ahead and wash this wig as well as bleach the knots. This is a 16-inch and the density is 200. This hair is really thick and full. It definitely mimics natural curly hair. Wait a minute. Before we even get into it, let's talk about my hair right now. I haven't had my hair braided in like 3 months, and normally my new hair growth is not like this, but like you can't even see my braids right now. And I don't want to like go get my hair braided right now because of coronavirus, but y'all, look at this. I'm going to have to wash my hair. Anyways, ciao. Let's get into it. So before I do any install, I always start off with my stocking cap. Now, people have asked me, are stocking caps like necessary? Is it important with the wig install? It's really just a preference thing. I don't want any type of friction up against my natural hair, and so that's what the stocking cap does, is it gives you like a barrier between your hair and your natural hair. And also a stocking cap will help blend the lace a little bit more, giving you that scalp effect. So as you guys can see, there is a lot of parting space with this wig. So because my hair growth and my edges is like on 10 right now, I'm going to be going in with the Got To Be Glue gel to slick down my edges. Now, I don't use this a whole lot. Really, I don't use it at all. Just depends on how my edges is looking, because this gel is extremely strong. It's way too strong for my hair, especially with my ends, my edges being on the thinner side. So I don't use this all the time. But if I use regular gel, then my edges curl right back up. So this was the only thing that I could use to give off a more natural look, since I do not glue any of my wigs down. So I have pretty much pressed out my hairline on this wig, and I did add some wax stick just to get a more smoother look. Now, because the texture of this hair is so freaking thick, I am having to go in and section off the hair and then going through with the hot comb to press it out, just trying to get the roots as straight as possible. Now, because this is a kinky curly wig, the hair is naturally big. So I wanted my hairline to be really perfect on this wig. And also, because this wig has so much hair, I did have to go in and pluck a lot, because it just was not blending in with the thickness of the hair. So I had to do a lot of plucking, honestly, and it kind of got frustrating every once in a while because I'm just not used to having this much hair. But I must say, this hairline is everything. It is definitely giving off a natural look. But if you look a little closer into the hairline, you can see where certain areas is still really full and thick. But hey, that's okay. That gives off an even more natural look. So yeah, I'm going to go right into cutting out the lace. I'm not going to do any baby hairs on this wig because this hairline is just giving me every inch of my life right now. So I have not glued or secured this wig down, as you see. So I am going to go in with the Got To Be Glue hairspray and just spray that on my sides just to make sure they stay, because I'm not going to use any type of gel, of course. I mean glue, I'm sorry. So I'm going to go in with some hairspray. I forgot the name of the hairspray. I'll have it in the description bar, but I spray it like directly on my hairline. Don't do a whole lot because it's going to make your hairline really, really stiff, but it's going to make your wig stay, and I mean like stay. So after I have sprayed my hair down with hairspray, I go in with the Luhair headband, and I am about to start the detangling and defining these curls process. So of course I'm pretty much low on all of my hair care products. So I'm going to be using this Tresemme Curl Defining Gel. I've used this a couple of times. It's probably about a year old right now, but girl, this all we got because she ain't going to the store. So what I'm doing here to define my curls is sectioning off the hair, number one, because this is a lot of hair. You will use up your entire bottle of water and product if you do not section off your hair before trying to define your curls. So like I said, what I'm doing is I'm sectioning off the hair. I'm going in with water first to make sure the hair is pretty much drenched with water because this hair texture is so thick it just drinks up all the water. Then I go in with the gel and I'm defining my curls. The curl pattern is real cute, don't get me wrong now, but this is a lot of hair. So I really want to see what this hair is going to look like once every strand is completely defined, because I am noticing that if I run my fingers through this hair while there is product or water in this hair, it gets frizzy and it gets bigger. So I don't really know if it's going to dry big or if it's going to dry exactly like how these curls are. Now these curls are pretty, watch this. Just gorgeous. So I really do hope this hair dries exactly like how the curl pattern is, because this is really pretty. So my hair is about 90% dry right now, and as you can see, the curls are still super duper defined, and it does give off a very natural look. This wig is really good for someone who has natural hair and know how to style natural hair and how to care for natural hair, because this is a very natural, attention needed hair, honestly. But it is a really beautiful wig. And I can see a lot of cute styles being worn with this wig because it's so full. And what? Hold on now. Is this coming out your scalp, girl? What? Is this coming out your scalp? Girl, I am blown away because it's like this hairline transformed when I sprayed it down with hairspray, because it was not looking that melted at the beginning, as you can see. So I did over bleach a little bit on this wig. So to fix that, I just go in with a little bit of mascara and eyeliner and just put it right on the areas that I over bleached. So this is what the wig looks like. This is how I'm going to rock it today. If you want to purchase this wig, everything will be in the description bar for you. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.